Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2015 Dodge Caravan, 77,000 original miles, black on black, front wheel drive with some silver wheels here. Both the number 2 doors and the rear load door are fully powered. It is a cloth seat van which keeps the heat down in the summertime and is far easier to clean. I do have a folding casket floor in here that came with the vehicle, so offset rollers to the right. It's a beautiful black canyon floor here. It comes with a set of beer pins, both a fixed and a quick adjust on the far right. You also can flip this table over, as you see in some of the photos, and it will accommodate a Parks urn carrier or a children's casket. We can also include some cot cups in this vehicle if you're interested, and if you're looking to haul a stretcher on the far right side. It will accommodate both. The vehicle does still have stow-and-go seating in it, so your second row seats and your third row seats are all included in the vehicle. They're actually sunk into the floor. It's pretty much my favorite aspect of a Dodge Caravan because everything stays in the car. This vehicle also has slide-on elk black panels here. So these do slide on and off the window as you pop the rear section of it. It takes about 2 seconds. It works as a giant card and you just slide it on and slide it off. That way we can dress up this vehicle as much as possible to look like a first call vehicle. Once again, this table does fold in half and flip back on top of itself. Allows you to pull up those second row seats that are also cloth matching the driver's side. This 15 is actually in really good shape. It's set up basically to be put to work at this point. Once again, black cloth seats, 77,000 miles, AM FM radio with satellite radio as well. You also have a little auxiliary port to be able to plug in your phone and play some music if you're looking for it. Some USBs and some cigarette lighters in the center to be able to accommodate a add-on GPS or be able to plug in your phone. Once again, it is front wheel drive, so it does really well in the winter climates if need be, or it'd be a great option to send it down south and have a wonderful, beautiful 2015 Dodge Caravan, fully loaded out here with the folding table and the removable panels. We can also outfit it with some strobes if that's something you're looking for. Once again, black on black with a black cloth interior. Runs and drives fantastically. It is available. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Thank you very much. Talk to you in the next one.